Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys home remedy on how you can get rid of stretch marks. There are so many things that cause stretch mark. The cause of stretch mark is stretching of the skin, and there are so many things that cause stretch mark. Childbirth can cause stretch mark. The cream that you use can also cause stretch mark. Even the soap you are using can cause stretch mark on your body. This recipe will help you get rid of stretch mark permanently. So watch this video to the end and also give this video a thumbs up. So let's get to the video. To prepare this recipe, we need Vaseline. Vaseline is very effective in treating stretch mark. The first thing we'll do is you have to scoop out. I'm going to scoop out. I will scoop out 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. Then the next thing we need is ginger. Ginger is very effective in treating stretch mark. Either you glitter the ginger or you blend it. You can also use the powdered ginger. So I'm going to use dry powdered ginger in this recipe. So guys, this is the ginger powder. I add half teaspoon of ginger powder. Then you have to mix it very well. You mix it very well. This recipe is very effective. So the next thing we need is either you use vitamin E or you can use coconut oil or olive oil, but I'm going to use olive oil. Just add a teaspoon of just add a teaspoon of olive oil and mix it very well. If you have vitamin E, you can add as well for a quick result. You mix it very well. Now we got stretch mark recipe. This is what you are going to apply on the area you have stretch mark on your body. I'm going to show you guys how you can apply this right now. So guys, this is how to apply it. Let me reduce it. So guys, I hope you guys are seeing it. Assuming that I have stretch mark here now, you just use it, apply it very well. You apply it very well. Use it to massage anywhere you have stretch mark in your body. After applying it, you leave it overnight. The best time to apply this recipe is in the night, so that in the morning you wash it off. You leave it overnight, then you wash it off the next day. Repeat this recipe daily until you get your perfect result. You can also store this recipe in the fridge for 1 week. So this is end of today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed. See you guys in my next video. Bye.